Hi, my name is Sharita Broadway. I am 34 years old and I am from a very small town, a farm town in Mississippi. However, after several years of moving around, I now reside for the past 4.5 years in Texas. I do believe that this will be my final stop because moving can be quite tedious. I currently work for an automotive finance company in the loss prevention and collections department. So, what I do is I assist customers in bringing their accounts current and making plans to keep it current. And if nothing is set to work, or if I can't get in contact with the customer, or if all else fails, then yes, I do have to make the decision to repossess vehicles. I am currently in my senior year at Ashford University, including this course. I do have 5 courses until I complete my bachelor's degree in healthcare administration and my associate's degree in entrepreneurship. According to the scores from the assessment that we had to take, I did score above average in all categories. So I guess that means that I have a bit of entrepreneurial potential. With that, my plan is to first and foremost run a clinic or medical facility. The two that I'm most open to would be a small practice, 3 to 6 doctors, or a dialysis center as an administrator. Also, my for my entrepreneurial goals, my plan is to open a facility that helps to house homeless individuals, families, and our veterans, not just to house, but to help them to get back on their feet. Because sometimes you do realize that not everybody is looking for a handout. Some people are just looking for a helping hand. And I mean, let's face it, sometimes it's all about who you know and who's willing to help. And that's what I want to be. I want to be that helping hand that helps them to get back on their feet and get back out there. We all make mistakes, and even if it's not your mistake, sometimes life happens and it's nothing you can do about it. You just have to roll with it. So I want to be there to help in any way that I can, and that's what my company will be based on, helping in any way that we can. I have always had a passion for helping people. It's just who I am. To help develop my skills, I started an outreach program through my church. It helps to provide meals and basic necessities to senior citizens and low income individuals and families. The goal of that, my biggest goal of that is within the next 2 years, I want to turn it into a full pantry where anyone in the community who needs assistance, who we may not know about, can come in and get, food or toiletries or, whatever we have that we can help them with. Sometimes we're blessed to be a blessing, and we want to do just that. Um, I look forward to see what this class will bring forth and provide me with moving forward with my goals, especially my entrepreneurial goals, and help me to grow. Also, I look forward to working with each and every one of you over the next 5 weeks. So that's me.